My name is Rabih Bou Rashid and I run Falcon drones. It's a drone company based out of Dubai. We specialize in providing drone services in the fields of inspection and GIS. We've been around for about 4 years and we're a growing company. We're the first in the region to set up a drone business. I've met Murtaza through a business network. From there I realized what he does, and I attended one of his strategy sessions. He was very knowledgeable and was very giving information-wise. So these two things were very appealing. So I scheduled one-on-one and it proved me right that he really knew what he was doing, and that was about 2 years ago. I've been doing the coaching bi-weekly, and I have to say it's been one of the best things I've invested in for the business. I can't measure it by dollars, but we can see the improvement in the office. So with our time management, our efficiency, all that stuff, we learn through those coachings. He focuses on training people, where I'm focusing on running my business and I don't have time to learn and so on, where he can come into your business and say, this is what's going on, this is what you could do, and these are the options out there. All in all, it's definitely something that was very beneficial for us. It's something that I'm going to keep doing, and future-wise, we can give Murtaza a lot of the credit. Our growth has been amazing, and we're planning on expansions to other countries and even within this country. And if I had a scale to just tell you how much Action Coach helped, I would, but really there's a lot of credit that goes to Murtaza.